If you have kids, pets, or frankly just a house that gets lived in, you've probably had the thought at some point, how clean are our mattresses and couches really? Because we wash sheets, we vacuum floors, but mattresses, pillows, couch cushions, those tend to get ignored unless something spills, or perhaps worse, using the vacuum head directly from the floor onto the cushions. Gross. So I've been using the UWANT Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, and like everything I own from UWANT, I was way more impressed than expected. The idea behind this thing is really simple. It's made from mattresses, bedding, sofas, pillows, comforters, basically soft surfaces that collect dust, pet hair, skin flakes, crumbs from kids, all the stuff we don't think about. And my initial concern was regarding the suction. How can it be so powerful without picking up the sheets or getting stuck on the mattress? But it didn't. In fact, look how light it is. I can pull it with one finger and it's still not sucking up the bedding. The next thing I noticed was the actual suction. It's got a 700-watt motor and supposedly around 20,000 kilopascals of suction power. Numbers aside, what matters is whether it picks stuff up, and it does. I used it on our mattress, which looked completely clean, fresh sheets from yesterday, no visible dirt, nothing. And after a few passes, there was way more dust and debris in the container than I expected. And that's been the most surprising part of using this. Things can look clean, but still hold on to a lot underneath the surface. I also tried it on our couch cushions because if you've got kids, you already know cushions become snack stations. And if you've got dogs or cats, that's another layer of hair and dander getting trapped in fabric. It does a really good job of pulling pet hair out of upholstery, especially the stuff that regular vacuums sometimes leave behind. And another feature is the built-in dust detection display. Basically, while you're cleaning, it gives you an indication of how much dust or debris is still being picked up. Frankly, it's pretty gross to put a number with your filth. However, I love seeing it get back down to zero, and that's way more comforting. So I wasn't sure if I'd care about that or if it was just a gimmick, but it actually turns cleaning into this weird challenge where you just keep going until the reading drops. And the reading will drop, as you'll see here. I thought it was only going to be a gimmick, but it actually makes a difference. As gross as it is, it's also quite satisfying. And the cleaner also uses heat during operation. It's up to 65 degrees Celsius. This is meant to help reduce moisture in bedding while cleaning, and a UVC red light for infrared thermal protection. There's also an aromatherapy or fragrance function where you can add a drop of scent and it creates a fine mist while cleaning, leaving everything smelling really nice and not like that just vacuumed smell. Frankly, I'm a little neutral on that. I don't really care. I don't think it's going to stick around long because my kids and my pets are just going to make that evaporate. But I actually use it, and I really just care more about whether something feels clean than smells clean. Still, some people will really like that option, and if your house smells clean naturally, then you're going to want to keep using this. One thing I really do appreciate is that the parts come apart really easily for cleaning, because with anything designed to collect dust and hair, if you can't clean the machine itself, eventually it will become gross. It'll get clogged, you'll lose suction, and performance just drops. And as for any downsides, this isn't a replacement for washing bedding. You're still going to have to wash your sheets and comforters, and if you rarely clean upholstery or mattresses, adding another device might feel unnecessary. But for households with pets, allergy issues, small kids, or if your bed is basically where everyone hangs out at the end of the day, I think it makes more sense. And my overall impression is I love it. I expected it to be kind of like a gimmicky vacuum mattress. So after seeing all the dust particles that came out of things that I thought were clean and that looked clean, this has become a staple in my house, and I will use it until it either dies or they come out with a newer version because I am a fan. So hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.